Good morning, class. Let's start our next lesson number 14, and that is about technology. Today, we are going to study about greatest inventions in the history of the world. Dear students, people in the past have really worked hard so that they can give different useful items to the world. And by their hard work, we are reaping the benefits. Only because of their hard work, we are enjoying a happy and comfortable life these days. If we talk to our forefathers, then their life was not as comfortable as life we are living. So we should always be thankful to those people who have invented so many things that helped us live a beautiful life. And technology is one of the most important things that helped us live a comfortable life. It made our life easy. In these pandemic times, in these tough times of coronavirus, we are attending regular classes, we are holding regular school only because of this information and technology. Today we all are having smartphones in our hands, we all are having internet connections, and we are learning quite well only because of the development in information and technology. Not only in India, but people around the world have discovered, have invented different things which helped in the development of the world. Whether developed in any country, the benefits are taken by the world. So let us discuss about some inventions. Inventions that took place over the centuries shaped up the lives of humans in a great way. A large number of things and facilities used by humans are the inventions of centuries and their further improvements. So let us see some major inventions of the previous century. C.V. Raman was a physicist who won Nobel Prize in 1930 for his Raman effect. So he was a great Indian scientist who won the world's biggest prize, that is the Nobel Prize, in 1930 for his work which we call as Raman effect. Satyendranath Bose was also a great person. He was a great mathematician and physicist, and he is best known for his collaboration with Albert Einstein in formulating a theory of electromagnetic radiations. Meghnad Saha, he was also an astrophysicist who developed the Saha equation, and that equation explains the chemical and physical conditions in the stars. Let us try to learn some more things in the exercise. Write the name of the discoverer in the space provided, taking help from the help box. So keep your pencils ready. Let us take question number 1. An English mathematician and physicist, he is best known for his law of gravitation. He figured out that objects draw towards each other by force called gravity. So, who explained this force of gravity? We know that there is a force of gravitation, but he is the scientist, he is the physicist who drew this, that gravity is there, who gave this conclusion. The name is Isaac Newton. He is the great physicist who gave this theory that there is gravity and there is gravitational force. The British naturalist gave the theory of evolution in 1859. According to his theory, all living beings evolve or change over time. These changes are called adaptations, which ensure survival of the creature. So in science also we have studied about adaptations, that all living beings, they evolve or they change with time in order to survive in the changed conditions. So they show adaptations in order to fit into the conditions. So who was the scientist? Who is the person? His name is Charles Darwin. Next, the creator of electricity, this man developed electric motor and then became the first person ever to produce electric current by moving a metal wire through a magnetic field, resulting in the creation of first generator. And his name is Michael Faraday. He is known as Michael Faraday. Next one, he discovered the first antibiotic and named it penicillin. He grew it in his lab using fungi. Antibiotics are used widely to kill dangerous bacteria in our body that make us sick. Usually when we fall ill, then we go to doctor, then the doctor prescribes many antibiotics which help us to get rid of the sickness. So this is the person who discovered the first antibiotic and named it penicillin, and he grew it in his lab using fungi. And these antibiotics are now widely used all over the world to kill dangerous bacteria in our body which make us sick. And he is none other than Alexander Fleming. His name is Alexander Fleming. He discovered the world's first antibiotic. So this is all about page number 29. In the next video, we will learn the next part and we will complete the next exercise also.